What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. We got Denise here.
Hey guys.
And just got done doing my morning cardio. And before coming home, I was like, let's get a few things from the grocery store that I need. Today is my high carb day. I'm low on carbs that I enjoy, so it's time to get a few things from the store. And I was like, damn, it's been a while since I've given you guys a shopping with Chris. So here we are, man. So let's get started. We're at Albertsons right now. I like Walmart, but right now it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Walmart's really crowded around this time, and I just want to get in and out, man. You cannot put a price on your convenience. I do not mind spending that extra 50 cents to get in and out. Anybody that shops at Walmart can tell you, you go to Walmart between 3 and 7 p.m., you're gonna be waiting in line. Even the express line is long. Yeah, guys, we did a little damage today, man. Just a little damage today.
A little bit.
Yeah, Bruno. Must have been pretty thirsty, man. As soon as I put water in the bowl, he just started going at it.
Look, Daddy got you something.
Got you something, Bruno? You've been a good boy. Yeah. There you go, boy. About to go off high off somewhere and have his little treat. Hey, guys. About 30 of them bitches. Bruno needs those treats. Restocking these shirts Friday, by the way, with new colors. Just grind. That's what I live by. Regardless of what you may think about Chris Jones, one thing you cannot deny, that motherfucker grind. You hear me? No matter what. But anyway, let me show you what I got from the store today. Today, we're about to get ready to cook. Keep in mind, I do my fasted cardio and abs. Fasted with no food. I'm hungry than a motherfucker right now. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Denise going to cook us some chicken, and we're going to start our day. So let me show you what I got. So here are a couple of protein sources. Got chicken thighs. We're going to cut the little fat off. Put them on this indoor grill right here and have us some chicken thighs for lunch. Got us some lean turkey, 93.7. I think anything above 93.7, like 96.4, 99.1, not even worth your fucking time. Tastes disgusting. Tastes like dog food. Got this new shit right here. I've never tried it, so I can't tell you if it's good or not, but it damn sure sounds good. As you know, I do like the Kashi cereals. Never had the Kashi waffles. Can you focus that, tap the screen? There you go. For 2 waffles, it's only 5 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of fiber. And that's for both. So, hey, the macros are good. If anything else, we're going to get some Walden Farm syrup, and we're going to see what it do. So hopefully pretty soon I can let you know my honest opinion.
I've tried those before.
Okay, what you think?
They're pretty good.
Oh, there it is. Denise is pickier than me, trust me. All right. Hash browns. Now, you got to be careful. There's hash browns with oils on them that adds fats. And then you got hash brown cuts, where they just pretty much get white potatoes and cut them up in hash brown style. That's what you want. Check out the macro. Cop the screen, babe. Bam! 0 grams of fat, nothing but gracious, good carbs. And what I do is, I might weigh out 10 ounces, and on my Fitness Pal, I'll just put it as white potato. You know what I mean? Weigh out 10 ounces or whatever, spray some Pam spray or whatever, let it cook till it gets crispy, throw some salt on there, some ketchup. There you go. Can't be giving you out my secrets, man. Skinny popcorn, white cheddar, macros are good. Let's go ahead and open one up real quick, show you what it looks like. And you know what? I am hungry. I'm going to have one of these while I talk to you lovely people. Now, as you see, the bag is not really much. Macro friendly though. This whole bag, 6 grams of fat, only 10 grams of carb. Now, even though it's my high carb day, that doesn't mean unlimited carbs. You know what I mean? That doesn't mean all the carbs you can eat in one day. That's a cheat day. This is a high carb day. So even though it's a high carb day, I throw in some low carb snacks. That way I don't go over the macros I'm trying to hit. So let's go ahead and give you a little view of what this popcorn looks like. I'm pretty sure some of y'all probably want to buy it. As you see, they fill half a bag up. But let me tell you, the taste is good. Oh, you watching a good movie on Netflix, get you about 2 bags of these, you be straight. You feel me? Ain't nothing worse than watching a good movie with nothing in your hands, man. You know what I'm saying? So I got some popcorn. Yeah, I'm gonna finish that real soon. All right. Show them over here real quick. Now, I'll probably record a video. But fuck that. Y'all want to see a cooking video? or a high carb vlog. Like lately my vlogs have been low carb and moderate carb days. Y'all want to see a high carb vlog look like? Or y'all want me to cook a recipe for y'all? I need 5,000 likes. Hey, if I get the 5,000 likes in one day, I'll go to the lab and make a video the next day. If it takes a week to get 5,000 likes, I guess you'll see it next week. I need 5,000 likes. And then I'll do a cooking video or a hot carb. Hey, work with me, I'll work with you. All right? Street tacos. Oh, do them like that. Shout out to the homie Hector, man. He put me on these street tacos, man. These right here are mini tortillas. You get the grill, spread a little bit of that Pam, let them get crispy. Throw some fajita chicken or some beef on there. And then get you these non-fat refried. I'm giving too many damn secrets, man. I'm just overwhelming y'all with secrets right now. But fuck it, y'all my people, man. No fat refried bean. Look at them. Show the macros. Tap the screen. There it is. Look at that. 5 grams of fiber, 17 grams of fat, and 6 grams of protein. Because what they do is they get pinto beans, they smash them down. They don't add a whole bunch of oils and shit like that. If you want some macro-friendly taco fajitas, get you some onions on the grill, flip them bitches and some peppers. You not even on a diet. Mama be like, how the fuck you already eat so good? Come over here real quick. Pineapples. All my OGs know what's up. I used to, after every workout, I probably post a clip right here. Take creatine too. If you look, I put my creatine inside my Gatorade. You know, you can take it separately, but you know, I'm the kind of person that forgets shit. So I won't forget. I just put the creatine in my Gatorade, man. It makes it real simple. After every workout, I would have pineapples or some Gatorade and some Walmart protein, right? That was like my religion, my fucking ritual. People ask me, do I still believe in that shit? Because I don't do it anymore. You gotta keep in mind, guys, back in those days, 2012, even 2013, I was on a budget. Like many of you probably are today. Budget, meaning I didn't have much money. So when you don't have much money, you get your paycheck, you pay your phone bill, you pay your rent or whatever, and you always have a set amount of money to spend, I would go to the store and buy the same exact fucking thing. You know what I mean? That way there's no surprises. No surprises. I get my certain pounds of chicken, my certain pounds of beef, I get my 8 cans of pineapples, you know what I mean? Get my 8 cans of pineapple, whatever. That was my religion, my ritual. But once I started making money, guess what? I want variety. So, and I've said this many times, fuck acting your age. I'm 32 years old and like a fucking kid. Alright? My website is called wholeready.com. Fuck acting your age. Act how you want. But act your wage. If you know you only got so much money to spend weekly or monthly, that's how you just fucking spend your money. Don't try to keep it with the next motherfucker. You know, you see motherfuckers on YouTube going to Chipotle every goddamn day or shit like that. They might not be your budget. Because one trip to Chipotle, that could have been a whole day worth of meals at the grocery store. Act your wage. God damn it, Chris Jones, you're so good. We got some sliced pears. These are for Denise. You know, I'm more of a pineapple guy. This is for Denise. All right. Now, this shit right here is full of sodium. And I only usually have this when, you know how you have those cravings, you wake up and just like, oh my God, I want some chili, I want some pizza, right? That's what this is for. This is emergency only. Because it's like crazy sodium. I don't eat this every day. But if I wake up one day and I'm like, I need some chili, this is what I'm going to have. Because it's macro friendly. And I just drink extra water that day. Look at the macro. We tap the screen for the people. This whole can of chili. This is turkey with beans. I love beans. Only 9 grams of fat because they use lean turkey. 59 grams of carbs, good for a high carb day, and 28 grams of protein. This is some good shit right here. Then they got the lean beef one right here. Similar macros. I love lean beef chili. So, you know what? When I'm craving some fucking chili or something, I don't want to fuck up my diet, this is where I go to right here. Then I get some butter popcorn rice cakes. Just gave away another secret. Let's go over here real quick, honey. And we want to send these children on their way. Diet 7-Up, no explanation needed. You know, if I'm craving some soda, I don't really drink a lot of soda, believe it or not, guys. But when I am craving a soda, because anybody that's dieting knows, sometimes those cravings come and go. When it's just killing me and I just can't stop thinking about it, bam, nice Diet 7-Up. I love Pringles. They're probably some of my favorite chips. Where my scale at, man? Just talking about it make my mouth water. Where my scale at?
Right there.
I'm going to get a serving of these damn chips. Man, I'm giving too many damn secrets, man. Next time I go to an expo, I'm probably be the fattest nigga there because everybody uses my secrets. Because y'all know me, I don't stay lean year round. I only stay lean from time to time, you know. Look at this right here. Let's show the macros real quick. 1 ounce, which is almost about 16 chips, is only 7 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs. And these are the sour cream. I love sour cream and onion. I'm weighing out 1 ounce right now. I need a serving of these motherfuckers. Yeah, don't be jealous. These are reduced fat. I'm gonna weigh out 1 ounce. Show them the scale real quick. Ooh. There we go, 1 ounce. So I'm gonna track this on my macros, and I'm gonna track this. See how simple this shit is? Stop making excuses, people. Go to myfitnesspal.com, get you a profile built, and start tracking macros. This shit's actually fun. I woke up today not even knowing I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna eat as I go. And whatever I eat, I track it. Alright? So let me eat one of these motherfuckers.
They're so good.
Ah! I ain't want this shit no more. Man! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Shit good! They taste like the original shit.
They do taste like the
original. You can't even tell it's diet.
I can't tell. And I'm picky, so if I say they're good,
damn!
they're real good.
I ain't want this shit right here. How do you track a few bites of popcorn? Yo, I'm gonna finish the bag and take that L. This is my first time buying these. I usually eat the original ones, you know what I mean? I'm surprised. That's good.
That's real good.
Pringles, if you ever want to sponsor a brother, I will represent this company with pride. Ain't no selling out. Ain't nothing worse than seeing a motherfucker on YouTube or Instagram promote some shit you know they don't fucking use. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with sponsorships or promoting shit, but have some integrity. If you don't like this shit, you don't fuck with it, don't promote it. Hey, y'all want to sponsor me? I'm your guy. Pringles, holla at a brother. Anyway, white cheddar rice cakes, my favorite rice cakes. Very high in carbs. And caramel rice cakes. Get some almond butter. Oh, this is the shit right here. Come over here real quick. Like I told you, just because it's a high carb day, don't mean it's unlimited carbs. So I still throw in some low carb stuff. This right here is pretty much calorie free, like 10 calories per cup. Good Jello right here. All right, get that sugar-free Jello. Bam. Then get that sugar-free pudding, like that Bill Cosby shit. You know that pudding. You know what I mean? I don't agree with things he's done, but Bill Cosby had great taste of pudding. All right, look at that sugar-free pudding, that dark chocolate. Let me tell you, it's only 11 grams of carbs for this thing. Okay? Only 10 grams of carbs for this vanilla right here. Let me tell you, you won't be disappointed. Trust me. And some white rice, you know. And there it is, guys. That's Shopping with Chris today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all learned something. And I hope you go to the grocery store and maybe try some things I bought because you saw me with it. That's why I do this, because some people need ideas. You need ideas what to go buy, right? And there it is. So I try to do these once a month. You know, if anything changes, I try something new. I'll be sure to share with you guys. Also, don't forget, 5,000 likes. Hey, we'll do a cooking video for you. I'll get Denise to show us how to make those fajitas or something. Or a high carb vlog. You know what I mean? Fuck with your boy. Don't forget these shirts will be in stock Friday with new colors. Fuck with the Just Grind movement. And there it is, guys. Y'all have a nice day. Cause I'm getting hungry. Matter of fact,
turn that back on.
Put this shit on, man. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, and buy 30 of them bitches, because Bruno, he's over there somewhere wondering where's his next treat coming from. And also, the baby is going to need some diapers. Holla back at your boy. Check it out, homies and homies. See that one bag of Skinny Pop popcorn and one serving of the reduced fat sour cream and onion chips. Look at that. That was 28 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein. See, tracking macros don't gotta be complicated. Just takes a little time, but anything worth having, like a great physique, it's worth the time. Get 30 of them bitches minimum.